Hey, hi, thank you so much for clicking in and thank you so much for watching videos so far. I'm so grateful to you guys that you have been watching these videos and you have been appreciating it. So thank you so much once again. So now we have got few more words for you. Please look at them. How would we pronounce them? So the first word is concept. How do we say it? Concept, concept, concept. And the second one is calamity. It's calamity. So the first one is concept and the second one is calamity. It's calamity, calamity. And the third one is thank you. It's thank you. And the fourth one is apologize, apologize, apologize. And the last one is leopard, leopard, not leopard, it's leopard. So leopard, apologize, thank you, calamity, and concept. Concept, calamity, thank you, apologize, and leopard. Leopard, apologize, thank you, calamity, and concept. Concept, calamity, thank you, apologize, and leopard. So I would want you to write down these words. It will help you to improve your pronunciation skills. So before I rub them, as I always do, I like to say these words one more time. Leopard, apologize, thank you, calamity, and concept. Leopard, apologize, thank you, calamity, and concept. So I hope you have written these words by now. I'll just rub them. And today we are going to learn few more situations. So this session is an extension of the previous session which we did. And if you remember, in the last session we learned would have plus third form and had plus third form plus would have plus third form. Like मैं ये काम कर देता, I would have done this work. मैं वहाँ चला जाता, I would have gone there. और अगर तुम मुझे पैसे देते तो मैं मार्केट चला जाता. Had you given me money, I would have gone to market. Now there is one more condition to the same situation. एक हम कर चुके हैं अभी तक. Would have plus third form. Then the second rule which we did was had plus third form plus would have plus third form. Now अब हम कभी कभी ऐसे बोलते हैं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो ये काम कभी नहीं करता. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो उसकी मदद कर देता. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मैं वहां कभी नहीं जाता. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो उससे पूछ लेता. सो अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो वहां नहीं जाता. So how do we make this sentence? It will be like this. If I were at your place, I would not have gone there. So मैं वहां नहीं जाता. Simple. I would have not gone there. लेकिन जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस होगा उसमें आप बोलेंगे if I were at your place. So it will not be if I were in your place, it will be if I were at your place. So यहाँ पे आप I के साथ were लगाएंगे क्योंकि ये एक आप विश के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So जब कभी भी आप विश और इच्छा के बारे में बात करते हैं at that point of time आप I के साथ were लगाते हैं. So if I were at your place, I would not have gone there. अब मैं कहता हूं कि अगर मैं तुम्हारा भाई होता तो मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर देता. So it will be if I were your brother, I would have helped you. If I were your brother, I would have helped you. अगर मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता तो मैं एजुकेशन सिस्टम को इंप्रूव कर देता. If I were the prime minister, I would have improved the education system. तो जब कभी भी आप किसी चीज के होने की बात करते हैं, मैं ये होता, मैं वो होता, मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता, मैं रिच होता, मैं अमीर होता, then you use were with I. Like मैं काश मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता, I wish I were the prime minister. काश मैं अमीर होता, I wish I were rich. And then simple would have plus third form. So अगर मैं rich होता तो तुम्हारी help कर देता. If I were rich, I would have helped you. आप इसको ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, if I were rich, I would help you. If I were the Prime Minister, I would improve the education system. That is also right. And इसमें एक और रूल होता है, which is अगर मेरे पास बाइक होती तो मैं तुम्हें वहां ले जाता. So if I had a bike, I would have taken you there. तो जिस चीज को आप टच कर सकते हैं, when you talk about tangible things, tangible object which is touchable, जो टच किया जा सकता है, उसके लिए आप had यूज करते हैं. और जब आप एक पोजीशन की बात करते हैं, एक डेजिग्नेशन की बात करते हैं, एक ओहदे की बात करते हैं, at that point of time you use were. Like मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर होता, if I were the prime minister. और अगर मेरे पास पैसे होते, if I had money, because money को आप टच कर सकते हैं, that is why using had, which is possession. If I had a bike, if I had money, if I had clothes, if I had books, if I were rich, if I were prime minister, or if I were the actor, or if I were the cricketer. So that's how you make sentences with the help of these conditions. Remember, so the first one is मैं गिर जाता, I would have fallen. The second one is अगर तुम मुझे पैसे देते तो मैं बाजार चला जाता. If you had given me money, I would have gone to market, or had you given me money, I would have gone to market. And the third one is अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होता तो तुम्हारी मदद कर देता. If I were at your place, I would have helped you. And the fourth one is if I were the prime minister, or if I were rich, I would have helped you. And the fifth one is if I had a bike, or if I had the money, I would have taken you over there. So these are the 5 conditions you have in this would have exercise. So would have plus third form, had plus third form, plus would have plus third form. And then if I were at your place, I would not have gone there. And then if I were your brother, or if I were your sister, or if I were your friend, or if I were your enemy, and then if I had a bike. So that's how you make sentences with the help of this. And मैं चाहूंगा कि आप इसको खुद हिंदी में सोचें, आप इन सेंटेंस को किस तरीके से बोलते हैं. Try to write them in your copy and practice on these sentences. So thank you so much for watching this video. That was all about today's session. I'll get back to you very soon. Until the time, take care. God bless you. Thank you so much.